The science students. I welcome you all to this online class. I'm going to teach you on physics. Physics is one of the core subjects for science students. As saying physics is the relationship between motion, matters, and energy. Before I go further, let me start with measurement. Measurement is an important topic in physics. We do carry out measurement in our everyday life activities. Without measurement, we cannot conclude in a fact or law in physics. That means we have to carry out measurement before we can say this thing is a fact or law in physics. From the word measurement, that means we have to measure something. We need measuring instruments. We need to measure the quantities before we arrive at the final answer. So, what are we measuring? Then how do we put the result of the measurement? So, in measurement, before we go into the instrument, in measurement, we want to write the result of our measurement. We write it in such a way that we combine the numerical numbers and the unit. These numerical numbers is the quantity of that measurement, while the unit is telling us the particular quantity we are measuring, the particular physical quantity we are measuring. For instance, we say 10 hours. From this, we know that we are measuring time because the hour here is indicating time, and we are all used with the word hour in our everyday. This 10 is telling us the quantity or the magnitude of the time. That's why we have 10 hours. If I say 10 meter, we have the same 10, but the hour here is indicating time, while the meter here is indicating distance. So another one is I say 10 kilogram. 10 kilogram is telling us that we are measuring a quantity that is mass. So from the three example, you have 10, 10, 10. 10, 10, 10 means the magnitude or the quantity of that physical quantity, while the hour here is the unit. This one are the unit. So here we have hour as the unit for time, while we have meter as the unit for length, and kilogram as the unit of mass. These three physical quantity, they are the most common physical quantity in our daily activities. There is no way you can do it without it. So these three basic quantity, we call it fundamental quantities. These fundamental quantities are the foundation quantity or basic quantity. We used to say the basic need of life are food, water, and shelter. The same thing, the basic need for our quantity are time, length, and mass. They are basic, they are foundation unit. They are independent unit, while other physical quantity depends on this one, but these three are independent unit. Time. When we say time, we are all familiar with time. Every time we do shout time, time, time. My time is going, my time is up, everything like that. Time is defined as duration of an event. Duration of an event. That is, time is telling us how fast or slow an event is. You know, if an event is 10 seconds, we compare it with an event of 10 hours. Definitely we know that that 10-hour event is longer than that of 10 seconds. So that is time. Time, we can measure time. The instrument that we use to measure time, we have our wristwatch, wall clock, pendulum clock, stopwatch, everything like that. But the unit for measuring time, that is, these are what we see that will tell us what you are measuring is time. What identify times? We see seconds, minutes, hours, day, week, month, and year. All these things are telling us time. 10 seconds, 10 minutes, 10 hours, 10 days, 10 weeks, 10 months, 10 years. Everything is about time.